Hello, Namaste. Welcome to today's Garba tutorial with Vidya Nahar. Today I am going to show you a 6-step Dodio variation with one spin in it. This is a slight variation of my other 6-step Garba video. If you have not seen it, I recommend seeing that. Today's version has spin in it, so if you don't like spinning, if you get dizzy with spinning, then you may want to stay with my other 6-step Garba video. And I am going to take a step back and show you the full circle first without the music and then with the music. As you know, Dod is 1.5 in Gujarati. So in this Dodio step, we take one step forward, half a step back. In this today's variation, in one step, one beat, we will take 4 steps forward and half a bit back, meaning 2 steps back. So effectively, we take only 2 steps or half a bit forward. So we are going to start with the right side. The flow is to the right. Bring both hands to your shoulders. This one is going to be more side, so not facing the right side, but you face the center of the circle and go more to the side with your right leg stepping to the right side. 1, add a slight jump, and then take your left shoulder and left step forward. So let's do that one more time. 1 and 2. Now on 3, 4 we are going to add a circle. So you may tie your hands in the back or just hold your skirt, whatever feels right for you. So for 3, bring your right leg forward and then add a complete turn. So you spin, make a full spin with your 4. Your left leg comes to the front. And now take your right hand back like this, like you're reaching back, and bring it to the shoulder for your 5. Your right leg is already back, but you're going to step it back like this. 5, and then bring your left hand back to the left shoulder. 6. So again, now you have right leg forward, and we're going to continue the same set. So stepping forward with your right foot and right shoulder. 1 and 2 with your left leg. Then you're going to add a turn. So before that, if you want to change hands, bring your hands to the back and take your right leg forward. So you're adding a spin to the left side. 3 with your right leg, and then 4, add a complete turn. So you're facing the right side again, the side in which you're going. And then you bring your right leg, right shoulder back. 5, and left hand, left leg back. 6. Let's do that one more time. So it's 1, forward, 2, then hands to the back, bring your right leg forward. 3, and add a full spin with your left leg. 4, and then your right hand, right leg. 5, left hand, left leg back. 6. Let's do this with the music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand back, left hand back. 1, 2, adding circle. 3, 4. Right hand back, left hand back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hope you got it. I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.